Thank you. Seeking an adjournment. All right, let's see. Will the 5th work for you?
Yes.
March 5th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bob, continue.
Thank you.
Thank you. Court calls case People versus Malik Robinson.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Raymond.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Wendy Barnwell, P42-505, on behalf of Mr. Robinson, who's present.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Judge.
I'm doing okay. Your name?
Malik Robinson.
Thank you.
I have before me a plea form. Is that what we're doing today?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Plea form indicates that the defendant will be pleading guilty to an added count 2 of attempted resisting and obstructing the 1-year offense. Upon his successful plea to that charge, count 1 would be dismissed, and the sentencing judge waiver is checked. That's the court's full understanding of the agreement.
Your Honor, that is accurate. We'll just add as part of a resolution that involves the defendant's other case. He's waived up on that one, and we had to fight up on that. I didn't put that on the form because it's a different case, but it's part of it.
But he's not seeking HIDA on this case.
He's not HIDA eligible.
He's not, I got it.
3 days past eligibility. Just had a birthday.
Got it. Okay. All right. Let's have him sworn.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear in affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
State your name.
Malik Robinson.
All right. You can put your hand down. Sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of attempted resisting and obstructing a first responder. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration and $1,000 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You also understand, sir, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Garwood in the 15th District Court. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
You understand by pleading guilty, you'll not have you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, Your Honor.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
Oh, Your Honor.
Look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights, which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you're giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, Your Honor.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes, Your Honor.
of your own free will
Yes, Your Honor.
and because you believe that you're guilty of this offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
On the date of January 2nd, 2026, at the location of 2749 Adrian Drive, City of Ann Arbor, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, did you come into contact with police officers from the Ann Arbor Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
What happened?
I was told some rules. I was given the order and then followed.
Okay. What order were you given?
To leave the premises.
Okay, so you weren't supposed to be there?
I was. I was coming to grab my things.
Okay, so let me ask you this. Why was the officer asking you to leave?
Your Honor, the officer was asking him to leave so that things would calm down. To leave 2 hours for at least 2 hours or 24 hours.
Okay, so that's, I suppose. So at your home address, the 2749, that's your home, right?
At the time.
Not anymore. At the time it was.
At the time it was, that's right, okay. Something was happening in the household between people in the house. That be
Yes.
fair?
Yes.
All right. One way or another, police get called,
Yes.
right? And they give you a lawful order to try to diffuse the situation, telling you to leave the premises.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you would agree that that would have been a lawful order or command on their part, given the circumstances.
Yes.
And you refused to do that.
Yes, Your Honor.
And so when you refused to do that, what happened?
Um,
Yeah, not a good thing, huh?
yeah, not a good.
Yeah, it didn't work out for you, did it?
Not for real.
This moment is actually a huge legal turning point. When police give a lawful order during a volatile situation, refusing it can quickly turn into resisting or obstructing even if the person believes they're in the right. The judge is basically pointing out the obvious lesson here. Sometimes the smartest move isn't arguing in the moment, it's walking away and sorting it out later.
It would have been better just to listen.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right. Sir, if I accept your plea, you want, and you knew, I should ask you, you knew that they were officers acting in their lawful duty, acting in their lawful duty. All right. Sir, if I accept your plea, I do have to advise you that if between the time I accept your plea and the time of your sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined in the Michigan court rules, that you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea, and the court would not be bound by any sentence recommendation or evaluation. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
None, Judge.
And have I complied with the court rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. A pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 15th District Court probation. Sentencing will be
March 17th at 9 a.m.
March 17th, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Garwood. Bond will continue. All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Judge,
Your
I
Honor.
just wanted to make sure.
Oh, I don't have another date, so you.
Okay, so I'll take it up with them. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Court does call the case. People versus Rita. Is it Gittick?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Steve Tremontin with and on behalf of the defendant, Dr. Rita Giddick. Dr. Giddick, could you state your name for the record, please?
My name is Dr. Rita Gittick.
All right, thank you. What are we doing?
We're asking for an exam date, Your Honor. Best March.
Discovery is complete.
Correct. I have not been informed that there's any discovery they have that I don't.
And would people have their witnesses available the 3rd?
Yes.
Preliminary examination in person will be set March 3rd, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Freshour. Bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Court calls the case of the people versus Lisa Keebler.
Afternoon, Jan Uwe Daus with and on behalf of Ms. Keebler here for the first probable cause conference after her arraignment. Lisa, state your name for the court.
State your name.
Lisa Keebler.
Thank you.
There is a green sheet discovery, German request in the file for ongoing discovery evaluation. This is really Mr. Shea's case much more than mine, and he couldn't be here today.
Yeah, I understand that. Do you say how much time me?
He was looking for 3 weeks, March 12th.
3 weeks, March 12th. No objection. Probable cause conference then will be adjourned March 12th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond in this case will continue. All right, thank you.
Very good. Thank you.
Court does call the case, People versus Ethan Jordan.
Afternoon, Your Honor.
And good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Orlando Simone, Student Legal Services. On behalf and with Mr. Jordan. Did you say your name?
Ethan Jordan. Thank you.
And Your Honor, we put in a request for a brief adjournment. I'm still looking for some additional discovery, some body cam. Talk to Mr. Cook. We should be able to get that and take a look at it.
And Your Honor, we have that. It just needs to get to Mr. Orlando.
Got it.
And if you caught that joke, you're paying attention. When the attorney says, "I'll take the 5th," the judge jumps on the classic legal phrase. In court, taking the 5th usually means invoking the 5th Amendment right to remain silent. But here it's just a funny coincidence about picking a date. Moments like this remind us that even in serious courtrooms, a little humor can break the tension.
You'll take the 5th. Yeah, you just got that. All right. March 5th, 2026, 9 a.m. All right.
Excellent. It's too big of an opening.
Yes, it was. Fine, we'll continue.
Served
Thank
it up
you.
nicely. Thank you.
Good seeing
Good
you.
to see you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Haley Garcia.
Afternoon, Your Honor, Raymond Cook of People.
And good afternoon, Your Honor. Attorney Maxwell Rubin, P number 86012 on behalf of Ms. Garcia, who appeared via Zoom.
Adam John Allen, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I have discussed this with the prosecutor. We're in negotiations. We'd like to see if we can get my client admitted into sobriety court. So we would like to adjourn this matter, 30 days? I think maybe 30 days.
Which court?
So, Your Honor, he lives on the east side of Detroit, so I was thinking either St. Clair Shores or Warren, because those are closer to him.
He's in Wayne County though, right?
Correct.
I need a green sheet filled out. I'll give you the adjournment. I'll adjourn this matter to March 19th. 2026, 9 a.m. Urge your invite indicates bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I do have another matter. I don't know if you.
What?
I do have another case. Oh, no. Wait. I do have another case. I don't know if you were, or should I be seated and wait?
How does that work usually? No, how does
All right.
how does that?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
No,
It's been a little.
I've got another one here. I don't know. Did I change something, Alan? Okay,
I
didn't think
apologize.
so. Court does call the case People versus Joshua Steuben.
Afternoon, Your
And
Honor.
see, I knew it was going to be the next one, but I was going to make you go back there anyway because I only had one case.
Deborah Schlossel on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Joshua Steuben. Your Honor,
State your name, sir.
Joshua Steuben.
Thank you.
Sorry, Your Honor, I'm a little off guard. Your Honor, we also would like to adjourn this matter out 30 days for the purpose of plea negotiations.
Any objection from the people?
No, Your Honor, also know there's some media that I need to get to defense counsel as well. We have that. I just need to make the meeting.
I said that one for the 19th.
That is correct, Your Honor.
March 19th, 2026.
Thank you, Your Honor. I will fill out a
9 a.m.
form for
Bond will continue. And I don't think you have another case because I don't have any.